Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, as you guys see, I started cleaning. I wasn't recording, so I'm trying to declutter what I don't need. I already got some stuff in here on my trash can. What you guys see is right here. I didn't record that part, so I'm trying to declutter what I don't need. I haven't used this in a while. These are mold, so you don't use it in more than 6 months to a year, you're not going to use it. Throw it out. Of course, I need this, my spoon, my ladle. I have not used this, so I'm throwing it out. This is part of my I have two drawers that you guys can see. Let me tilt you guys down. I have two drawers and I have collected so much junk. So actually we all have a junk drawer. So the bottom drawer is actually my junk drawer. So I will be doing that one next. But right now I'm going on my utensil drawers. So this is a part of this, which I have not used in a while, but I'm not going to get rid of it. It's very old, guys. It's very old. So it needs to be, I'm going to place it right here on the side so I can actually watch. I'm trying to set up for my, coffee station. And guys, I don't know, but I didn't notice. I show you these bottles in the live stream, my live stream haul. Guys, look what I did. Look what I did. This is my olive oil and this is my vinegar. So I did it backwards. So I'm going to leave it like that into there right now because I am not about to make a mess changing stuff around. So I don't have much olive oil. That's what I have left. So it's not a big deal. Once it finished, we will do it the right way. Also, I don't have a biscuit cutter, so I decided to take a can of tuna fish and keep it for a biscuit cutter because I also need biscuit cutter when I make biscuit, and also to when I make my donuts, my homemade donuts, they won't be so big. So this is just perfect. So I'm going to keep this one. I am going to take my time in the future and go here and actually cut this, and then you take a pair of pliers and you press it down so it won't have that sharp ending. So you guys, a lot of you guys know what this is. So of course we need that. And I keep some of my tools in here, which I do not keep my tools in there. My husband just throws stuff where he's not supposed to. But what you're going to do, guys, okay, this needs to be put away. I don't use this. I want to throw this in the trash, but I'm afraid somebody may, you know how you have people that they like to look in the dumpster and stuff. I'm afraid somebody might poke themselves. So I'm going to ask my husband how to dispose this in a safely manner. So for now, I will leave it here after I empty. This is one of my piping bags. So I got it. And the whole reason why all this decluttering started because I needed this for my cocoa station. So I was looking for the top. So there it is. This is an extra blade from my old blender. It does fit my new blender, so I decided to keep it just in case anything happened because you never know. So I did keep the blade, so that's gonna stay. Of course, cutters. Extra nice. Even though I got a set of knife for Christmas, I'm still gonna keep it. This came with my knife set that I got for Christmas. So, but you know, that's one thing, that the blades feel cheap. This feels very cheap. They were free, but they feel cheap because like they don't bend like the way, you know. But it's all right. Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. So now I'm going to wipe this drawer because it's filthy, guys. It's filthy, crumbs and all that stuff. So let me, and this is from my cake top container. So I'm going to put it to it. Yeah, guys. So I'm starting my 2025 decluttering in a nice, clean, and healthy place. So I'm going to go through all my stuff, even plates and pots, and what I haven't used in more than 5 to 6 months, I'm going to get rid of it. If I have not used it, that means I'm not going to use it then. Or maybe it's because I have such a small place and I have everything packed and I won't look for things just not to make a big mess. So we're going to start to see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. And guys, I want to give a shout out to Cozy at Coco's. She is such a great motivator when it comes to cleaning. A lot of you guys know that I love cleaning. I want to give a shout out to Mimi's Place. Go and check her out, guys. Subscribe if you don't have these 2 channels, because they are great motivators. So I'm going to put my, even though it's a drawer, I still have a plastic container to retain things, so I don't have to go crazy looking for items. This is going to be here. This is my bag for cake piping. This garbage, that I'm gonna tell you one thing, guys. Never pick this or this from the Dollar Tree. They are garbage. This, the handle comes off while you need it the most. This one doesn't come up because I put Casey glue, but I should not have to do that. So this garbage. Dollar Tree, this I do not recommend it either. And this one comes off. It didn't come off because, as you guys can see, the glue, I put glue on it. There's no need for me to have to add glue to something that is supposed to be made for the kitchen. Don't buy that stuff. It's not worth it. Now, this, if you need it from the Dollar Tree, I recommend you this one. This one works awesome. There are some stuff that you could grab from the Dollar Tree and they work fine. Like this is from the Dollar Tree. I have it for many years. It works good. This is from the Dollar Tree. I have it for many years. It's fine. So there's some things that you can get from the Dollar Tree that they are great. I have this can opener from the Dollar Tree. It works wonderful. I'm not saying that the Dollar Tree doesn't have good items, but not everything at the Dollar Tree is good. I'm just saying. Britain, very old, I am keeping. I haven't used these, as you guys can see, so I'm throwing them out. I really don't like to use this type of wood utensils when it comes to cooking, for the simple fact that this is not bamboo. This is the cheap wood. And this thing comes with some items that I bought. See, this is the type of wood that when you use it to cook, it absorbs oils, it absorbs food. And even when you wash it, it's still in there. So it starts creating bacteria. So you have to be very careful what type of thing like this do you use. See, this one, for example, This one I have for a very long time. These ones are bamboo. As you guys can see, I haven't even burned them. This one, I scrub them with a metal sponge and they come out good. But this one, I haven't for more than 6 years. And I have never had any problem with this. But this I don't trust. And of course, this is one of my spoons to stir my coffees. And this used to be from a bar set that I used to have. So, but I use this to stir my coffee in my big coffee cup, which is right here. See the long? So I stir it. But I finished drinking coffee right now, guys. We'll move down to the water. So I am keeping this one. I'm going to put this one here because I'm always looking. I have two like that. So guys, don't forget to drink your water. Oh, Lord, thank you. Also, this one is from the Dollar Tree. This one works good as well. So I decided to keep my two like this. And of course, I have scissors here. I keep scissors. Even though I have kitchen scissors, but I do keep scissors here because when I'm looking for scissors to do a DIY, I can never find my scissors. So I figure if I keep them in this place, I will be able to find them. These are some handles from a special pots that I have, which I keep here. Baby spoon, silver baby spoon. So I keep it here as well. I have not used this in such a long time because I use, where is my, make sure, where is it? I don't want to get rid of it if I can not find my other one. I do have another one. Come on. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Dollar Tree. It works good. Dollar Tree, many years ago, over 10 years. It still works, but which one, what do you think? And you guys know, I like this one because my kitchen is red. I love the red. So, you know what? I'm going to keep them all because sometimes my daughter's here with me helping me peel potatoes and and I'm doing some and she's doing some and we need two of these. So I am going to keep both. So I would just leave that one there where I usually keep it. Okay, this is going to go to my drawer at the bottom where it goes. This is cookie cutters. This is clover for the Irish holiday. So scissors for my plant to cut the leaves. This is for container that I do have. I do use my container, so I'm going to keep this here. I usually sometimes use this when I'm eating soup. I don't want to have to use a little spoon. I use this one, and especially wonton soups. So I'm going to keep it there. And this board doesn't go here, it goes here. I'm going to declutter this one too. So guys, let's keep moving. These two belong to my Huffman grill, and I gave the grill away to a neighbor, but I couldn't find these. They were in there, so I don't need them. Garbage. Okay. I'm going to do the top drawer. I'm going to leave the bottom drawer away. I'm telling you guys, it's so much junk in here. Even though they're wrapped up, you don't need it. You don't need it. Garbage. This is our nail brush. We do use that, especially when I'm going to cook. This, I don't know if to keep it. It's a frother. I'm going to keep it, even though I have not used it in a while. This is for measuring when I do coffee. Here is my other spoon. I will place that there. More tools. Don't need that. Garbage. What is this? I'm telling you guys, my husband be dropping stuff like stuff here that it's a drawer for our spoon, and he be dropping stuff. This is my bread blade for the honey dipper. Lighter for when I used to do tablescape. Even though I still do tablescape, I just haven't done one. I've been taking a break from that. So this is a quarter. I knew I was looking for the other blade. These are blades that I use for when I make bread to make designs on the bread. So there you have it. So let me clean this mess right here. You guys can see I got these 3 batteries here. I don't know if they work, so I'm gonna test them to see if they work, and if they're not, they go into the garbage. Look, another quarter. We're always looking for quarters for the laundry room. Little nail. And the rest is garbage. So I'm going to clean this drawer really good. Hold on, I just noticed something. I'm telling you guys, everything gets dirty, everything gets full of dust. So let me get in here. Let me finish cleaning that mess, and then I'll bring you back. This is very old. I have it for a long time. I just took it out of the hot water. I scrubbed it with some Ajax and some dishwashing liquid. Yeah, guys, so I empty all my, this is my everyday eating utensils, so I empty them in the sink. So now I'm going to go and fill up my sink with hot water, let it soak for a little bit, and then I'm going to wash them, dry them, and put them away where they belong here. Well, guys, I am done. Everything is where it belongs. The drawer is clean. The second one is clean. I will be leaving the third one for a different day because I'm getting overwhelmed, because I'm like, it's crazy. And also this, I held on to this for a while with the intention to take it back to the store. I bought a rotisserie chicken, and this is what they use to put the chicken in those rods to put in the rotisserie. But I never went back, and it's been more than 6 months. I have never been back to the store, so garbage. Anyways, yeah, so now I'm going to get ready. I'm going to polish my cabinets. I'm going to polish the cabinets, but the decluttering is going to stop for now. I'm going to clean on this side, clean the top of the microwave. I want to start decorating for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm going to put these 2 hearts right there on the top, or maybe over there in that corner, because that's where my hot cocoa station is gonna go. Maybe I put one in each side here, because this is where my station is going to go, and where I keep my coffee maker. If I don't know if I'm going to change it, but for now that's where it's gonna stay. So yeah, guys, so do a little bit at a time. Don't get overwhelmed like me. I'm getting overwhelmed right now. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to take a breather and do something else. If you do 10-15 minutes a day, by the time you're all done, your house will be clean. So we start in 2025 with decluttering. Whatever is not being used, out. Whatever is not good in your life, declutter your life, declutter your home. And if you have people around you that are no good and they're not doing anything good for you, declutter. Get rid of them. You don't need their stress. Anyway, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Terry also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.